Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically retouch your face in CapCut PC in videos. So just select the video and you're going to select the enhance button. You can select face, and here you can smooth out your face. You can erase the smile lines, remove dark circles, brighten it, make her have white teeth and stuff. And you can also go to facial beauty and you can adjust like the face shape. I'm just going to leave it like this, but you can do the face, eyes, nose, mouth, and even eyebrows. And here's where you can kind of adjust the makeup and like apply it. They have these which like apply a full on like a face makeup, but if you want just like for instance eyelashes, you can do that here. And then you can adjust the opacity here as well if it's too much. You can also add in eyeshadow here as well, and lipstick. And that's pretty much it. It will be applied to the whole video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.